Hello everyone. Today I'm going to explain about Robotiq.ai plugin. The plugin is a powerful tool that empowers you to leverage the benefits of RPA within your workload automation environment. Here is a workload automation page. I'll be showing the demo to how to use the plugin. Now we shall click on design, navigate to workload designer. We can create a new job definition. We should type the keyword to select the plugin and we can enter the name of the plugin. We can select the workstation name here under the general information tab, and going to the connection tab we can select the mandatory fields, tenant name, client ID and client secret password, and we shall proceed to click on test the connection to robotic AI system. The test connection is successful. We can click on OK, and in the action tab we shall proceed to fill the stage, department name and process name. We can select the priority low, medium or high, and we can proceed to save the job. And we can click on submit option. Now the job definition is successful. We can proceed to the monitoring page by clicking on monitoring and orchestrator monitor. Here is the job which we submitted, and it is in successful state. We can select it and proceed to see the job definition. When we click on the task log, we will be able to see the job log now with the success message. Robotic AI job has been successfully submitted with the job ID, with the process on how it has changed, and we can also see the status and the output properties. Thank you.